Sit down. Stay there.
At Daytona Beach, Florida, during spring break, police officers on patrol spotted a young woman who appeared to be intoxicated. The officer approached her and said, "You look intoxicated to me." The woman, later identified as Michaela, immediately showed a rude and uncooperative attitude, using offensive language and insults toward the officers. When asked for her name, she sarcastically replied, "My name doesn't matter." What do you think about the way she handled the situation? Stay tuned until the end to find out.
What's your name?
It doesn't matter.
How old are you?
It doesn't matter.
Well, you appear intoxicated to me. Come over here. Come over here.
I'll fucking walk you a straight line, brother.
Sit down. Sit. Sit down.
It doesn't
Sit.
fucking matter. Get the fuck off.
Okay. Come sit down.
Get off me.
Stop. Come back over here and sit down. Sit down. Stay there.
Am I fucking doing something wrong?
Yes, you are.
I stand here.
Calm down.
What am I doing? Read it to me.
Well, now you're
Tell me.
resisting.
Resisting what? Standing here? Is that actually for real?
Relax.
I'm relaxed.
I don't know why you're acting like that.
Can I ask what I'm waiting for? Okay.
Then I'll back you.
Okay.
And resisting.
Okay.
Yep. That's what I'm going to tell you. Hang on.
I'm not trying to be difficult.
So, and not in the car, but I told him to figure it out tomorrow.
You're 21?
No, ma'am.
How old are you? You're 20? From Ohio?
Yes, ma'am.
What you doing in Florida? Spring break? Summer breaks?
Hanging out.
Hanging out? Alright. Is your parents down here or is it just you? Just you? Alright.
Yeah, I'm in the home.
You're in college?
I'm actually in cosmetology. I'm doing cosmetology.
Oh, okay. My mom did that. She's a cosmetologist.
And those boys are going to come down
What
here
are you? Is it nails or hair? What are you? Hair? Okay. Nice. So what type of hair? Are you basic trimming and or actual?
And blonde girls and all that good stuff. We got here about probably 2 o'clock. I'm not sure. This is great. You guys want
I was just asking because we're doing it. I don't know if y'all doing it. Yeah, no, there's somebody here. That's just well, we're doing it.
Okay, but you have one.
here attend the unit centers at the command post. If you want to take turns coming up here, you're more than welcome to.
Here with you now. You have any credit card?
Sorry, yep, all true.
So how are you buying stuff on the beach? You want to sit down? Over here.
Let me interrupt you. As you guys try to be more and more vague and quiet, you're making it worse for yourself, all right?
I'm gonna check you again because I don't know if they can hear me properly.
Okay,
You're still drinking underage,
I am?
so that's still a problem that we're coming across.
Okay, well that's my name and there it is for you.
Okay.
Makayla.
Do you have shoes or no?
Somewhere in the car.
Which car?
Wherever the Subaru Legacy is.
I think they might have left you.
Well, they're right here, so I don't think they left me.
Cooperation makes everything better.
There's a lot better things for you guys to do, but I guess carry on.
Well, we're just doing our job.
That's fair. That's fine.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna walk up the stairs up here, okay?
Okay. Am I going by myself?
Right now, yes.
You guys want to take one each?
Yeah. Watch your step. Hold on. Slow down. Slow down. You have any property that you want me to grab? No, ma'am. No? Okay. Watch your step. Watch your step. Hold on. Hold on.
I didn't do nothing.
Let's go.
What do you
Come on.
mean, brother?
Come on. Watch your step.
I do not understand what they fucking did compared to anyone else. Imagine some arresting some people that are about to just get right out. Like, what's the point? I don't mean to be rude to you.
This way.
Can I just ask?
Let me get you in the car first, okay?
Okay.
Come this way. Okay. Have a seat for me. Okay, so Michaela.
Michaela? Yes.
Okay. All right, girl.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. I have gloves on, so you're fine.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
You're fine. You're fine.
My nose is just really stuffy.
Do you want to blow your nose? You can.
I can't do it.
Is that better at least?
It's better.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you turn and face that way? I'm gonna take those off and put them in the front. I got it. You're good.
I'm just curious.
Yeah, ass cuffs. So that's different.
Yeah, I just don't know if he etched them or anything, so I'll just give him this pair.
Yeah. I don't think that's serial numbers or anything, but.
Thank you. Just put your hands like that. It's more comfortable. This
Like
way.
this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry. You're fine.
For all of this. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Listen, if you keep banging on the car, your handcuffs are gonna go back behind your back. You're laughing because I'll switch them right now.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the same place I was
Okay,
before.
yeah, you will.
Baby, bail me out! We'll see you guys soon on Daytona, baby! I'm sorry, I forgive you. I love you guys! I'm sorry. Hey, David, buddy! Does it feel bad that this is wasting time? I love you guys!
We know.
After being handcuffed and placed in the patrol car, Michaela gradually calmed down. The officer reminded her that underage drinking and resisting law enforcement are serious offenses, and that everything could have ended much more smoothly if she had cooperated from the start. This incident serves as a powerful reminder to everyone, especially young people during spring break. Just one impulsive moment can cost you your freedom. Respecting and cooperating with police isn't just a responsibility, it's a way to protect yourself. And most importantly, attitude determines consequences. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this story meaningful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more real-life and educational videos like this one.